What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be unboxing the MSI GF63. It's a gaming laptop, and I'm going to be unboxing it and setting it up. So I'm going to use my Swiss Army knife. Now I know this doesn't look like a normal Swiss Army knife, but this was actually manufactured in Switzerland, and the person who got it as a gift for me actually bought it in Switzerland. So it doesn't have all the fancy stuff. It's only got like the basic scissor kind of stuff like that. But I'm going to be using it to unbox this laptop. Now, the full specs can be found in the description. But basically, that's the wrong side.
Bruh.
I was using the wrong side of the knife. Guys, don't ever listen to me or do anything that I ever say, because I'm an idiot. No, I'm just kidding, in a way. Anyway, when I'm excited, I can't unbox things, which is every time I unbox something. But yeah, don't need that. Here it is. Oh, that's heavy. Oh, Amazon advertised this as a thin and light gaming laptop, which I'm finding to be not true. But anyway, there's the packaging. Let's go ahead, unbox it, and then I am going to get it set up. So there's some tape, MSI tape across the top. It's just a budget gaming laptop. It was about $730. It has an Intel Core i5 9300H. So we got that nice 9th gen i5, which I was actually kind of impressed with, which is nice. It's even got this like handle. So, yeah, it also has a 512 gig SSD for storage, 8 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, and I don't know if I mentioned this, but a GTX 1050 Ti graphics card. So a pretty low-level entry gaming graphics card, but still not too bad. And, there we go. Now it should. There we go. Looks like we should just be able to. Here we go. Oh, I see. Here is the actual laptop. Okay. The actual laptop is actually relatively thin and light. It's just the box that was like really heavy. Look at this. Stop.
Stop! You violated the law.
We're here to help. Should you have any questions about your gaming notebook? It's kind of funny that they put this in, because one thing that I'm really concerned with about this laptop, that I think my biggest concern is that MSI has absolutely terrible technical support / customer service. So as long as I never break it, which I can't promise will happen, but yeah, I'm worried about their customer support. I know it's only available on weekdays, and I know it's not that good. It got like an international low or something, but I'm gonna try to be careful. So the laptop is wrapped in this wrap.
Bruh.
That probably wasn't necessary, but let's go ahead and pull out. Ooh, okay. That's actually a pretty thin and light notebook. I like it. It is factory seal, so we can't upgrade it without voiding the warranty. But let's see what we got for ports. We got one USB. I do not know. I have never seen that. I've never seen that. So we got USB, 2 more USBs, an audio input and output, USB-C, HDMI. It's good that it's HDMI. Oh, wait, no, oh, no, that's Ethernet, and this is HDMI. Duh. So anyway, we got this. So basically, the reason I'm getting a new laptop. Oh, wait, I don't think that's a seal. Is this supposed to? The reason I'm getting a new laptop is because my other one keeps breaking. It wasn't built very well. The touchpad keeps breaking. The screen broke. And I don't want to keep spending money to get it repaired when it's just going to break again. So I decided to just bite the bullet and spend the money on a new one. So it looks like we have like a setup guide. Is that what that is? Hotkey recover. Oh, like the recovery manual. Okay. We should have a charger. Oh my gosh, that is a big power brick. Holy crap, guys. Look at this. This is almost as big as my hand. That is a big power cord. Okay, and then we got that there. So that's about all that's in the box. I have a lot of stuff in my room now. So this is what comes in the package. So let's Ooh, wow. Okay, so here we got the, wow, this is really thin. I mean, for a gaming laptop, it's thin. So 3 USB ports, Ethernet, USB-C. I'm happy with that. That's a good selection of ports. And looks like the on button's right there. MSI is generally a good brand, and I'm really hoping this is durable. The bezels are thin. I like the thin bezels. Let's see. So we got the 9th Gen Core i5, best gaming brand. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's on everything. NVIDIA GeForce GTX. That's a pretty nice keyboard. I like that keyboard. Yeah. Okay, we're doing that later. I don't need the recovery manual. So here's the power brick a little bit. So now we can get that kind of out of the way here. Man, that is going to be hard to lug around. Okay, let's see. This is actually in like a Ziploc bag. I should save this. That's like a cool bag. All right, so we have this cord. I'm going to go ahead, unwrap the cord and plug it in, and then we're going to do the first time boot up kind of thing. All right, so I'm assuming this port on the side here is the power cable. Okay, so that seems to fit in. Let's see if we can turn it on. Oh boy, we can. Wow. That's cool. All right, so we got the MSI logo. That's cool. So we're booting into Windows, which is being indicated by that little light. I'm going to see if I can move this closer to you guys. Maybe make it easier to see. Now, that's probably going to be at that screen for a while because it's the first boot up. Okay, so you can see it says continue in selected language, and it's chosen English United States by default. So we're just going to click yes.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter key.
I'm trying to figure out how to turn up the volume.
Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in. Your region is set to the United States. Is that right?
Yes.
Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that?
Yes.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
No.
Now let's get you connected to a network. That way you can get up. Now type your credentials. All linked up. Now we have some important setup to do.
Okay.
Next up, the legal stuff. In short, you'll need to select accept to use Windows. You can decline, but then, no Windows.
No, really? Okay. We're going to pretend we read all that. I won't tell anyone if you won't.
Type your email address or phone number, then follow.
I really like the touchpad. It's very responsive, which I value a lot in a touchpad. And I know I can adjust that later, of course, but I love how responsive it is. And the keyboard, I'm just going to have to say it's kind of meh because, well, it's very responsive and I love how it's backlit. It kind of like, there's not very much like, when you push a key down, you don't feel that much. Like, it's kind of shallow. No. Get instant access to your Android phone. I don't have an Android phone. No, we're going to do this later. And when I say do it later, I mean I'm really not ever going to do it. Alright, what are you going to ask me next?
Want to automatically save files and photos to OneDrive for some added peace of mind?
No. I don't like OneDrive. It's kind of crappy.
Hey, look, that's me, Cortana. Can I have permission to use the info I need to do my best work?
Yes.
Windows can save your spot in apps, files, and websites, so you can keep doing what you were doing, even when you switch devices. Just choose yes to sync your activities.
No. I do not want to use.
These are the settings Microsoft recommends.
Of course they
Go
are.
ahead and review them, and select accept when you're ready.
Yeah. So that's it for the
Almost
setup.
done now. We just need to get a few more things polished up for you, and Windows will be all yours. Looking forward to helping out.
Hi. So anyway, I probably am just going to talk a little bit more because it's what I do best.
Bruh.
And what I love is how actually thin and light it is. Now, it's no like Surface Laptop 2 or MacBook Pro, but it's pretty good. I mean, for a gaming laptop, okay, here we go. And it looks like it recognized it. Now, I want to turn my brightness down a little bit. Now, is that what this is for? Yes, that's what this is. So this actually, it doesn't get that bright, which is a little disappointing, but I can live with that. Did it just get brighter? Oh, maybe it did. I don't know. Either way, so it looks like we have Edge open already. I'm going to go ahead and minimize that. So, wow, that display, I like the display. It's pretty sharp. Let's see how much MSI bloatware is on here. I always get worried if I ever like set up something like a new Windows computer. I always get worried. Oh, of course, there's LinkedIn on here. I will never use that. I can guarantee you I'll never use LinkedIn. But it looks like it comes with Microsoft Office. Power Director for MSI, Remote Desktop, Realtek Audio. Okay, that's not too bad. Fitbit Coach, I can guarantee you I'm going to be uninstalling most of this. Now, what is this? I do not know. MSI. So, remember my beach background. Let's see what notifications that we have here. Intel graphics, so it has those Intel integrated graphics. OneDrive, no, I don't use OneDrive. Let's just get maybe like a maybe a better idea of how much bloatware is on here just to begin. So apps, that's not too terrible. I've seen worse. I think Acer is the worst for bloatware. Yeah, okay. I'll keep the drivers, but uninstall the rest of the crap. Now, here's where I get worried: is Windows updates. I like how it says no updates available, and your device is missing important security and quality fixes. Like, that kind of means there's updates available. So it's gonna take me a while to get all this stuff up to date. So that's gonna be kind of a. Oh yeah, here we are, all the Windows updates. You know what? While that's going on, I should probably install Chrome. Because I don't use, oh yeah, Microsoft Edge is the recommended browser, blah, blah, blah. Nope, not doing that. Here we are, download and install Chrome. Overall, there's nothing that I really don't like about this so far. I'm pretty happy. This is good. Run. Here's how to finish installing. Okay, but yeah, all it comes with Norton Security. Oh boy. Definitely going to remove that. But yeah, that's about all I have for you guys. I'll definitely have to get this set up with my own stuff. Let's go ahead and just make sure we got those specs down here. So, system and security, system. Oh, seriously? No, I'll restart later. Windows 10 Home, MSI, 8 gigs of RAM. 2.4 gigahertz i5, that's what I thought. Yeah, well, that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll certainly do a review video once I get this fully set up with my own stuff. But, yeah, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.